There are 36 pupils in the playground. If the ratio of girls to boys is 7:5, how many boys are there in the playground? So we will use this format in answering this problem. So the first one, 7:5 equal to 12. So this one is the ratio. So let's try to multiply it to 2, 3, and 4, and we should get 36. In order to get the number of boys, we should consider this one. So 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 5 is 10. So equal to 24. It means this is not the answer. So next is 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 5 is 15. The answer is 36. Okay? Possible. Then 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 5 is 20. The answer is 48. So it's not the possible answer. So you can see that this one satisfy the condition that the total number of pupils is 36. So the girls, there are 21 girls and there are 15 boys. So how many boys in the playground? There are 15 boys in the playground. Another way of answering this problem is, another way of solving this problem is add the terms in the ratio. So 7 plus 5, the answer is 12. Then divide the number of pupils, so we have 36. Divide the number of pupils to the sum or by the sum of the terms. So 36 divided by 12. Okay. The sum of the terms, okay, then 36. So the answer is 36 divided by 12 is 3. Therefore, in order to get the number of boys and girls, just multiply 7 to 3, then 5 to 3. So if you get the product of this one, 21 is to 15. So if you will add, the answer is 36. So this one is the girls and this one is for the boys. It means that there are 15 boys. Rafi drives his car at 90 km per hour. He leaves the house at 12 noon and arrives to his destination at 6 p.m. How far did he travel? So it means that after an hour, he is 90 km away from his house. So it starts from 12 noon, then in 1 p.m. Probably in 1 p.m. is far away with 90 km or 90 kilometer. At 2 p.m. if you add this one, 180 kilometer. At 3 p.m. add all the distance, 9, 18, 27, 270. At 4 p.m. (270), 360. 60. At 5 p.m., 45 or 450 kilometer. At 6 p.m., to sum it up, after an hour, 2 hours, 3, 4, 5, 6, he is 540 kilometer away from his home, or he traveled 540 kilometer in 6 hours. So next example is the ratio of books to magazines on a shelf is 5:9. There are 40 books. How many magazines are on the shelf? So we can write this as 5:9 is equal to, since the ratio is books to magazine, then 40 is to n. So how can we find the value of n, or the number of magazines? So just simply do the cross multiplication. So 5n. Then 9 times 40, the answer is 360. So divide both sides by 5. N is equal to 72. So it means that there are 72 magazines on the shelves. Mang Ben gathered 36 kilograms of mangoes from his trees. Using the ratio 4:3:2, he gave the mangoes to Nile, Rex, and Roland respectively. How many kilograms of mangoes did each person receive? So I already give an example on how to solve this type of problem. The first step is add the terms of the ratio. So add the terms 4 plus 3 plus 2. The answer is 9. The step 2 is divide the total to the sum of the terms. 36 divided by 9, the answer is 4. And the third step is multiply the quotient to all the terms in the ratio. So 4 times 4, 3 times 4, and 2 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 8, 2 times 4 is 8. So if you add this one, 12, 16 plus 12 plus 8, the answer is 36. So it means that 16 kilogram for Nile, 12 kilogram of mangoes for Rex, and 8 kilogram for Roland. For your activity, answer quiz on page 231, Write your solution and answer on a sheet of paper. Take a photo of your answer, send it by private message. Deadline January 5. I'll repeat, January 5.